Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in 2020 GMC Sierra Easy Method. Begin by warming the engine briefly, then turn it off. Position the truck on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. Lift the front with a floor jack and secure with jack stands. Layout tools: drain pan, 6-point socket, oil filter wrench, and replacement oil and filter. Safety first, then we drain the oil carefully. Remove the drain plug and allow oil to flow into a pan until it slows to a drip. Inspect the old oil for metal or fuel contamination and set the drain plug aside. Replace the crush washer and torque the drain bolt to the manufacturer specification. Move to the oil filter, remove it with a wrench, and coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil before installing. Hand tighten the filter securely and wipe any drips clean. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making short, useful how-to videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals, service guides, or just relaxing while oil drains. It's lightweight, bright, and holds thousands of titles, so you can read on the go in the garage or on a break. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Slowly pour the specified amount of oil into the fill port using a funnel to avoid spills. After adding oil, start the engine for a few seconds to circulate oil, then turn it off and wait 3 minutes for oil to settle. Check the dipstick and add small amounts until the level is within the recommended range. Inspect around the filter and drain plug for any signs of leakage and clean up any spills immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.